guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Easter is only a couple weeks away, so let's hop to it and make some baskets. I'll have everything I use listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, for this project, we're going to use one of the frames from our 8-in-1 frame set. And we're just going to go ahead and measure out our sticky stabilizer to the size of the frame and attach it on. Now, one of my favorite things about my Ricoma Em1010 embroidery machine is that it can handle big projects, and with the correct accessories, it can handle small projects as well, right? So for this bag, it was kind of like hard to hoop, it was kind of hard to hoop because then it would have been like stitched together, but that's where the frame comes in handy. So what I did is attach the sticky stabilizer to the frame, and just to give it a little more stabilization, I'm going to go ahead and use some tearaway stabilizer too. So what I'm doing is just spraying some adhesive spray to the tearaway stabilizer, and I'm going to stick that inside of the bag. And once I have it positioned in the bag how I want, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's nice and smooth and my fabric is nice and flat. And then I'm going to spray some of this same adhesive spray to the back of that stabilizer. And then I'll go ahead and attach my frame. And I'm just adding some sewing clips along the edge, and this just helps me see the edge of my frame better for when I'm tracing my design, just knowing where everything is going to stitch out. We'll go ahead and pop it into the machine. All you do is really just stick it on there, and there's this knob that you screw down. Make sure that it's nice and tight. We don't want to lose any registration. And then we'll go ahead and transfer our design from our USB to our machine. And when you go into your design set to choose your hoops, you will choose other to get to be able to use your 8-in-1 frame. And then I'm just going to go ahead and punch in the colors I'll be using for this project. Go ahead and trace everything out and make any adjustments. And once everything is good to go, we'll just go ahead and let it stitch out. Oh yes, and I totally forgot, I'm sorry. When I was entering my colors, I did change my setting from manual to automatic manual so that it can stop after each stitch so that I can add my fabric for my applique. And with applique, if you've never done one before, the first stitch is like your trace stitch, which lets you know where to position your fabric. And then you'll go ahead and lay your fabric down, and it'll do a tack down stitch. And once it does the tack down stitch, you'll just go in with your scissors. Curved scissors work the best, and you'll cut off the excess fabric, and you'll just repeat the process until your design is all done. Now, I will say when you're using your 8-in-1, you can't frame out your hoop, okay? Because normally you would just frame out your hoop, cut your extra fabric off, and then go ahead and stick it back in. But you can remove the hoop and not lose registration. So and I'm pretty sure it's a little bit easier to cut this extra fabric when you're not working around the camera as well. But there was some pieces where I did have to remove my hoop to go ahead and get to be able to cut like up here when it was doing the bunny ears and things of that nature. So I just wanted to add that information in for you guys. And if you don't have an 8-in-1 hoop, you should definitely get one. You can use the link in my affiliate link in the description box to go ahead and grab you one. And if you want to learn more about this machine, you can go ahead and use my affiliate link in the description box as well to go ahead and get you over to a Ricoma representative. Like I said, it tackles the big projects and little projects. And can we just talk about how cute this little bunny tail is? So this particular frame I'm using is about 5.5 by 7. So the design I'm actually stitching out is 5 by 5. I did just grab it off Etsy. Of course, I'll have the link for this file in the description box in case you guys want to grab that as well. And if you're enjoying this video, you've learned something new, please give your girls a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my new videos. Once our design is all done, we'll just go ahead and twist the knob to remove the frame, and look how cute that is. Like, how freaking adorable is that? I love it. Now we'll just go ahead and remove the frame, and since we use tearaway stabilizer, we can just rip it right off. Comes off nice and easy. And then I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut off any tails I may have, or any fabric that I may have missed when I was doing the applique. Just do a little cleanup job. Look how cute this little bunny tail is. And I felt like the design was missing like some personalization, so I just went and re-hooped it, and I just added my son's name to the project. I just did the same process as I did before. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and unhoop it from the frame, and just do any little cleanups that I need to do with the lint roller, pull it off the stabilizer. And that is it, you guys. This project literally took just a few minutes. It came out adorable. I absolutely love it, and my son actually likes it too. And in the previous video, we customized some Easter eggs, and this bag is the perfect fit for it. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.